Good morning, GreenStalk gardeners. I'm Susie, the lead gardener here at GreenStalk. We thought we'd give you a garden tour this morning. It is at the end of the season. I have taken down most of our summer planters, but we have a few that we can show you and let you see what it's like in our garden area. So one that is left over from the summer is our tomato planter. It's got several different varieties in, and it's still going strong. We're waiting on a lot of them still to get ripe, but we've been harvesting for a couple of weeks off of it now. So one of the ones we've enjoyed has been this little golden tomato called the Sun Gold. It's been excellent. So that's our one left over from the summer. So we did a photo shoot a while back, and we're keeping those on our watering system. We have 4 black and 4 peppercorn that we are maintaining for a while, just because we love to look at them, first of all, and second of all, something may come up that we need to get a plant out of one and use it for something. So, but that's what that is. The back row is the peppercorn and the front is the black. So one of the things we like to do here at GreenStalk is maintain some strawberry planters. These are our 5 that we've had since last year. They made it through the big snow that we had and the -2 temperatures. So we were real happy about that. There's June bearing and everbearing out here, so you can tell that they're already beginning to turn a little bit because of the season, but we are still getting fruit on our everbearing plants. They are still producing. This one still has quite a few also. So when I cleaned out all of our summer planters, there were a few that I decided to save, and I kind of compiled them all into this one planter. There are some bush beans, some gold rush, and some tomatoes in here. I think they might be Romas, but we decided to just hang on to a little bit of what we had. A few of the plants that I really have enjoyed has been the bronze fennel, which is going to seed now. This blue and white salvia, the collias, and the dusty miller. They've all just worked really well together. And then this euphorbia has just really been a winner in our planters. It has just been so pretty, and it's so easy to maintain. It is a tough plant. Over here is still some more bronze fennel, some lantana, some white angelonia, more of the diamond frost. So yeah, I think they're beautiful. So this is our petunia planter. It has just been beautiful this year. We try to do one every year. I've already cut this one back to nothing but sticks, and you can see it come right back out. They are so easy to grow, and it's so enjoyable to come out and see a planter that's just filled like to the brim with all these beautiful flowers. I have already taken some of these plants out and used them in other planters. So we have a few missing pockets in this one, but we're still maintaining it just for a little while longer. So this year we grew sunflowers, and they were a hit. They were quite gorgeous. So we're trying it again. We're gonna have enough days until the fall festival to get another planter of them out. This is Sunspot, and I put 3 per pocket, and we're hoping for another beautiful planter of sunflowers for the fall festival. So that's it for our garden tour this morning. We hope that you have enjoyed being with us. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at greenstalkgarden.com. Happy gardening!